Can foreigners legally own 100% of a company in Indonesia? Most DIY attempts fail within 30 days, and here's exactly what actually works. Here's the problem. Most foreigners think they can't own a majority stake in Indonesia. They're wrong, but they're doing it the hard way. Step 1 takes 14 days with the right lawyer on your team. You'll pay 50 million rupiah for full ownership structure setup, not 200 million like DIY founders. A startup founder from Australia landed in Bali in 2026, wanting to own 100% of her digital agency. She Googled the rules, found conflicting information, and spent 8 weeks chasing permits herself. By week 6, her tax ID wasn't registered correctly, costing her 35 million rupiah in penalties. TheBaliLawyer handles this exact scenario in 18 days flat, because they know the current 2026 regulations inside out. That's why we built the service, to stop founders from losing weeks and money to outdated advice. Most people fail here. They assume 100% foreign ownership is illegal in Indonesia. It's not, but they waste 10 to 12 weeks chasing the wrong permits because they don't know which rule applies to their business type. Do not do this yourself. The difference between a consultancy and a manufacturing operation changes the entire ownership pathway by 180 degrees. Step 2. File your PT Limited Liability Company with Indonesian Corporate Affairs. This takes 7 business days. TheBaliLawyer handles the incorporation, nominee director setup, and local bank account in one package for 50 million rupiah. You own 100% equity from day one because the nominee director is legally bound to your ownership structure by contract. Step 3. Register your tax ID and get your business license stamped. This is important because your tax residency in Indonesia locks in your foreign ownership classification for the next 5 years. TheBaliLawyer files both documents in parallel, cutting the timeline from 21 days to 9 days. Without this step, local authorities can challenge your ownership claim later, even if the PT is already registered. Here's the problem side by side. DIY founders spend 12 weeks, hire 3 different lawyers, pay 150 million rupiah in scattered fees, and still end up with incomplete tax filing. TheBaliLawyer founders spend 18 days, pay 50 million rupiah all in, and walk away with full 100% ownership, a local bank account, and tax compliance locked in. The difference isn't small. It's the difference between moving forward and being stuck. If you're setting up a specific business type, like e-commerce, digital services, or manufacturing, the foreign ownership pathway changes. Manufacturing has a 49% cap for foreign investors, unless you get special approval from the investment board. E-commerce can go 100% with the right PT classification. Digital services almost always qualify for full foreign ownership. The exact form you file with corporate affairs hinges on your business type. Get this wrong and you're reclassifying your entire company structure 6 months in. When you file your PT incorporation, use this phrase with your lawyer. Saya mau 100% kepemilikan saham sebagai pemegang saham, asing dengan PT struktur terbuka. This tells corporate affairs you're claiming full foreign ownership as a private limited company. The phrase locks in your classification before any documents hit the desk. Foreign 100% ownership is legal in Indonesia PT. TheBaliLawyer does full setup in 18 days for 50 million rupiah. Get your business type right or face reclassification later. If you're ready to own 100% of your Indonesian company, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer for your free consultation. Link in description. Visit https://thebaliLawyer.com.